Paine Tower, Bonanza 1546 Fox. That's about 900 miles northwest. VFR transition 2500 southbound.
Bonanza 1546 Fox, Paine Tower, southbound transition approved. Paine altimeter 3039er.
3039er will stay at 2500 Bonanza 46 Fox.
Okay, top of descent, we've got the ATIS landing runway 32, altimeter 3039er is set twice.
That's 380, westbound turn approved.
And we've switched to the fullest tank, which is the right fuel flow is stable. All the frequencies are set up. We've got Boeing Tower for the short runway standing by until we clear the class Delta here, which we just did. And we've got ground and ATIS there in number 2. And we got Seattle and Paine VORs set up in the nav side.
Just all at the same time, Cessna 4804 Boeing Tower, hold short, runway 32 right.
Holding short, runway 32 right, 48804. Boeing Tower, Bonanza 1546 Fox, just northeast of Shield, show information, Romeo landing.
Bonanza 1546 Fox, Boeing Tower, right traffic, runway 32 right, report Safeco Field.
Report Safeco Field, right traffic, 32 right, Bonanza 46 Fox.
Cessna 4879 Fox, Boeing Tower, left traffic, runway 32 left, report the reservoir. Cessna 670 speed now to permitting offset west of center line, there'll be jet traffic departing behind you. Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, traffic 12 o'clock and 1 mile westbound helicopter, indicating I think around 800, shooting on the right downwind.
The helicopter's in sight, continue on the downwind, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Airlift 2, traffic past nose top, Bonanza has in sight.
Inside as well, Airlift.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, you're number 2 now, following, correction, number 3 following Cessna on the downwind about to turn base, runway 32 right, clear to land. Additional traffic ahead and to right, just off departure, and 32 right, extending to follow you, Cessna.
Okay, we're looking for the base traffic, cleared to land, runway 32 right behind them, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Cessna 78 Mike, there'll be jet traffic departing, and 32 left off your left side.
We'll keep an eye out for them, 78 Mike.
Chopper 7, say again.
Chopper 7 South Mercer Island for Lake Union area.
Chopper 7, roger, transition approved. I do have multiple aircraft in the pattern.
Chopper 7's looking.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot has the traffic just turned final on site.
That's 46 Foxtrot, roger, that's the one. Cessna 79 Foxtrot, runway 32 left, clear to land, and plan to exit Alpha 9, please.
Okay, coming up on the touchdown, opposite the touchdown point.
Tower 79 Mike, are we able crosswind?
Cessna 79 Mike, I was just coming back to you. Crosswind is approved for right traffic.
Crosswind approved for right
3
traffic,
green.
thank you, 78 Mike.
79 Mike is turned to the crosswind, traffic over Sewer Park, northwestbound helicopter 1000.
We'll keep an eye out, 78 Mike.
Yes, sir, it's 1 Golf, report to Space Needle, please.
We'll report to Space Needle, heading off.
Tower 78 Mike, will be a full stop on this one.
Cessna 78 Mike, roger, traffic on the airport at 32 right, Cessna, they'll follow you.
78 Mike, we'll keep an eye out.
Cessna 804, extend your up on a little bit, you'll be following Cessna traffic entering the downwind, report
Turning
to Space.
final, 3 green.
Extending the
Mixtures
upwind
rich.
804, and I'll look out for the traffic.
And full flaps, ready to land. On glide path, on speed,
Cessna 79 Foxtrot, turn right, contact ground point 9 and have yourself a day.
on center line.
Traffic on the downwind in sight, 804.
Cessna 804, roger, you can turn across one to follow that traffic. Caution terminus, the big hill string departing 32 left. Cessna 78 Mike, caution terminus for a hill string departing 32 left, runway 32 right, clear to land.
32 right, clear to land, will caution, 78 Mike.
Coast Stream 0, Romeo, runway 32 left, intersection Alpha 11, clear for takeoff.
Little balloon there.
Go to 4560, Bravo Boeing Tower. Go to X60, Bravo Adam. Sir, for now, right traffic, runway 32 right, report ballpark. Go to X60, Bravo, change 118.3.